The number of active dengue clusters jumped to 71 as of last Friday, an increase of more than 20% from the previous week.
Outreach efforts to heighten public awareness will be ramped up in these clusters by the National Environment Agency, and Vanessa Lim was at the largest cluster, which is in Woodlands.
The message is simple: remove stagnant water so mosquitoes can't breed. Despite the repeated messages, not everyone may remember to do so. Some may simply be unaware. Here in Woodlands, a dengue hotspot, MP for the area, along with NEA officers, are helping to spread the message. Home visits to remind residents to do the 5-step mozzie wipeout. Dengue cases are on the rise. There's been over 300 reported in each of the last 2 weeks, hitting 288 in the week before. The number was in the mid-hundreds a month ago. As of last Friday, there were 71 active dengue clusters. 3 areas in the east of Singapore, Chai Chee, Geylang and Bedok Reservoir, are among the hotspots. But the biggest concern is in Woodlands. Since the start of the clusters, there have been over 300 cases reported in several high-risk areas.
We found that of the 88 breeding spots which we have detected, about 72 are found in homes, and so this is of concern, and this also tells us that the community, individuals play a very important role, and so we are spreading this message. We are working very closely with NEA in doing inspections as well as information sharing with residents, with families on what they can do together.
Getting the public to be more aware and more vigilant when it comes to dengue prevention has become more pressing. That's because the peak dengue season is approaching. With warmer temperatures, the risk of dengue transmission will go up. Now, this means that the number of dengue cases is likely to continue to increase. Last year, fines were handed out to about 4,700 households for mosquito breeding.